All right, guys, Arlington Supercross today, military appreciation round. Let's look at some cool bikes. Stick around. I'm going to show you the sickest one at the very end. Forkner's PC Cowie. Here's a good shot from the side. I love how they always have red, white, and blue, and they always have some red and blue components on here. Different number font, something cool. Probably would get old after a while, but for this one round, looks sweet. Honda's bike, I think, were some of the worst. I don't really see much here. I mean, it does say Navy on the side, but nothing wild with Jet Lawrence's bike. Jason Anderson's Monster Energy Cowie, more of the traditional kind of camo design implemented. Clean but cool. Deegan's bike here with the Digi camo look on the new Gen YZ. I like this a lot. That gray mixed in, that looks sharp. But without a doubt, the sickest lit kit, Wageman's Yamaha from Team Solitaire. Look at this, the red and gold with the matching red and gold lit kit from Liat, helmet and all. This is sick. I absolutely dig this. So my lit kit award will go to these guys.